And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 272. Let me show you how you can convert text to a shape that allows it to perform a couple of design effects. We'll start with the text tool to use the shortcut for it. Click on your canvas, type something in, for example long. Let me size that up a little bit. You can pick a font or style right here, but there's an important side note. When I open the characters menu right here, you can see all of these T icons. And when they're highlighted, that means that this effect is added. For example, the first one here is a faux bold style. And if I uncheck it, you can see it changes my text. And it's important to know because you cannot convert a text when there's a faux style attached to it. In this case, the faux bold style. By the way, if you don't find the character menu, go to Window at the top menu, right next to Help, and then click on Character. Let me show you. The faux bold is active. I go to Type, Convert, and it says so that it doesn't work. If I uncheck it, none of the T's are highlighted anymore. I go to Type, Convert it, and this time it works. Then press Ctrl Z, and you can see that in the menu. So now it's a text layer, and if I convert it, it's now a regular layer for a shape. The same ones that you've got, for example, with a rectangle. Let me press Ctrl Z and I center my text, make it a bit bigger. To center it, I press Ctrl A, which selects the entire canvas, move to its active, and then I can use the top menu. Let me pick a different color, something brighter, maybe this. Now again, type, convert to shape, gonna convert it. And one effect that you can now add using the direct selection tool right here is to simply left click on these letters and you can see the nodes, or select them all, you can see them all. I only select these top nodes for the N letter, then I drag it. You can do that freely or hold Shift, which will then make it snap into a certain angle so that we have these straight vertical lines. I do that for the L letter as well. One more thing to add, if you now want to adjust this. This is not a text anymore, so you cannot use the Type tool or the text properties. For example, let us recolor that. You now have to treat it like a regular shape, for example, a rectangle. So that means I have to rasterize it before I can add, for example, the paint bucket tool here. To do that, left click on your text. The warning message will pop up, confirm, and then you can go over the letters one by one and make them, for example, black. And this is how you can turn text into shape in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.